Not bad, not bad. You okay? Here, hop up. Is it the balance? Did you feel like it wasn't very balanced? Here, give me your hand. I'll help you out, mister. Alright, shake it off, shake it off. Shake your arms out. Shake your arms out. Shake your hands out. Your hand's stinging? Here, let me see. You feel better? There you go. Alright, other hand. Next hand. Alright, there you go. Perfect. Okay, let's see you do it. That looks good. You're getting good. Getting better. Getting better at the balance. Takes a while. There. Oh, yeah. You know how to move that body.